Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to the beautiful month of Ramadan, and welcome to this brand new series entitled Dealing with Difficulty. And the reason I've chosen this is many people are going through so much of hardship, so much of difficulty during these times that are very, very challenging. People don't have jobs, people are going through marital hardship, people are finding it difficult to get married, people are having health problems. We had the coronavirus that scared the world, we had people who lost their lives, people are going through loss in terms of their wealth and so much more. With all these difficulties, how do we deal with all of this? So Allah Almighty tells us in Surah Al-Baqarah, وَاسْتَعِينُوا بِالصَّبْرِ وَالصَّلَاةِ وَإِنَّهَا لَكَبِيرَةٌ إِلَّا عَلَى الْخَاشِعِينَ. Seek assistance through patience and prayer. Seek help. You want help? You have to seek help through patience and prayer. That is more important than reaching out to another person. So if you want to be assisted by Allah Almighty, you must seek help through patience and prayer. And it's not easy. Being patient is not easy. We want to talk about the different types of patience. But with that, establishing your prayer is also not easy. So Allah Almighty says, وَإِنَّهَا لَكَبِيرَةٌ إِلَّا عَلَى الْخَاشِعِينَ. Indeed, it is difficult except for those who are known as al-khashi'in. Al-khashi'in. So who are the khashi'in? Allah says it's going to be hard to bear patience. It's going to be hard to pray regularly and to establish your prayer. It's going to be hard to do those, but they are difficult except for those who are khashi'in. Khashi'in, those who have concentration and dedication towards Allah Almighty.